Slow ass, but. Ah.
Oh shit, I don't know if I bought it.
Oh fuck, who's sitting here, bro? Who? Nah, good enough. Welcome to the vlog.
Gonna get that
My shit look like that. We're gonna get my new vehicle, and it's gonna be like a slash road trip. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I have the fucking windows down. Cause fucking car guy shit.
Did you tell them what happened? The first film?
So I went last week, and the car I was looking at, the salesman didn't work the day before supposedly. That's the story he gave me, and they sold it, and that's why I don't have a car yet.
Yeah, like 3 times bro.
It's not new. It's not fucking money. So yeah, we're gonna go see another car vehicle today, and then hopefully we can down home. I just called, so it's not sold, and then they reserved this. I can go look at it today. So that's the story right now. We're gonna show you guys the little dumb clips on our way over there. So yeah.
Bro, hopefully there's another clapped out Honda over there, bro.
Jesus. Oh yeah. I'm gonna leave that clip in. So we're gonna have clips from our first trip. There's like some funny clips, like I don't know, just random funny shit we see on the road. So we're gonna keep that in. So yeah, if we're wearing different clothes, that's why. So we got coffee for the road trip because Starbucks boys. Keep that name.
If you know, you know.
If you know,
only so many people know
you
that.
know. And like one person knows.
Depends who watches the channel.
Damn, bro, I got fucking wet. Tune in next time when I change my pants because I dropped coffee in my pants.
Hey, you better hold on.
You went to the trailer thing, bro. Let's go.
I'm so confused, bro.
Yeah, you're not supposed to come in here, bro. Is you a trailer?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, this is chasing this. Dumbass nigga, dude.
What is in there, bro?
This nigga got into the trailer thing.
What the fuck? Bro, I ain't never seen that shit in my life.
I wanna feel like a trailer.
What the hell?
Man, say I identify as a trailer.
There it is. That shit confused the hell out of me.
What's it? We got lucky it wasn't hella trailer, bro. You would have been stuck there for a cool ass minute.
Alright, we are here at Kia. What are you gonna get, Ricky?
I don't know if I should get the K5 or I don't know. What's the other one?
What about the one behind your shirt, bro?
Later, 5 more years.
Oh, bro, the Optimals look pretty nice, not gonna lie.
Get something faster than my last car, so I came to Kia. They said Genesis, or what's it called?
The Stinger?
The Stingers are fast.
Bro.
We gonna see.
41, bro. That's not bad, bro. They're marked up to like 50. The V6 twin turbo ones are marked up 50.
Choice or not?
The only bad thing is it has this one. It has that one. It's not bad. What's next? Oh yeah, the Tesla, bro. Tesla 2016. Alright, bro. They don't got the. We don't know about the Stinger.
The V8 Miata that we came to see. So we're going back on another wasted trip.
Yeah, we came a week ago to get a Hellcat, but the dumbass dealer didn't bother texting us the day he sold it, and we had to drive about 3 hours to. I had to drive 3 hours to Vermont, and then we came when they opened, and then they said, "Oh, I already sold the car, bro, yesterday." I'm like, "Bro, couldn't have told us that shit yesterday." We're at, I don't know where we're at. Where we at? Dublin, bro.
I don't know how to read.
Pretty cool cars. So, like this right? Chevy Equinox. So we'll see what we'll cop right now. Also Cadillac.
Probably can't afford nothing from there. Too fancy. Can't afford nothing from there.
That A3, bro. Just get that A3 over there.
Damn, I was blacked out too.
Oh, the M4, bro. They still got the M4 over there.
That shit don't.
All right. As you can see, they got a M3 competition. Which one you gonna get, Ricky? 76.99. Hey, bro.
I think we got the wrong edition. Go back.
M3, bro. Hey, that's $769, bro, with 98 cents. They got the RS. They got another RS. They got another RS. They got another RS. And they got a Corvette.
About the RS.
What you want to tell them, Ricky?
So, I always thought when they have an RS badge they were V6, but eventually, not
that,
eventually, but what?
Go in. Go on. Trying to get footage of the. I was trying to get footage of the Corvette, bro. Trying to get footage of the Corvette. No, not that Corvette, bro. The one inside. You were talking, bro. I was zooming in the back. Yeah.
Corvette you can afford. Corvette you can't afford.
She said, you, the guy, should tell you
not to worry about.
Yep, over there, bro.
No, this one not.
Hey, that's really how it is, bro. With you know who, bro.
I'm that one. She picked that one.
That's really what she did, bro.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know, bro. All right, Ricky, you wanna tell them what you actually got, bro?
They kicked us out because they saw my pay stubs.
They say you can't afford shit, bro.
They said go to the Honda dealership.
Hey, bro.
Got this red Honda right here, bro.
They said this is the best you can afford.
New Honda, bro. They told me it comes with 500 horsepower, so I got it. Has a SI leather with carbon fiber. I don't know if that's real or not. They told me it was real, bro.
They forgot to throw out the trash.
Damn, what the fuck, stickers? That's weekend shit. I don't think this is my car, bro. Let's go to my car.
Alright, bro, hold on. Let me lock my car real quick. Alright, let's go to your car.
Alright, so I ended up getting this little thing right here.
The CTS.
Alright, so welcome to my new car. I got this one. I'm gonna turn it on. Hey, the back.
What the? Automatic. I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here, bro. What'd you say, bro? You said it was a manual?
Yeah, bro, look. I press up to go up, and I press down to go down. That's manual right there.
That's manual, bro. That's what they told me.
They told me, bro. They told me.
Hella clean, bro. Sheesh.